All right, hi folks, this is Anthony.Fuller once again back at you. We're here with the 2018 Nash by Northwood, one of the premium trailers in the area. I'll show you why right now. This one comes with a power hitch, big tanks. But the cool thing that people really love about this, it has its own independent certified chassis. Most companies buy chassis that's all processed in one place. They all buy the one particular Lippert chassis. This one is all independently certified. Reason is, notice how high up it sits. This is a hunter's dream right here. It sits up high, tandem axles on a 17-foot trailer. Very thick frame. Then if you look under, I don't know if you could see here, how everything under there is covered. The reason that is because all the tanks are individually heated for cold weather. This trailer is top-notch, very solid. Let me show you why. This Nash is an awesome trailer. Has a little spot right here, so if you need to put a CPAP machine or your computer, there's a charging station right here and a little cubby hole if you want to keep your snacks or whatever you like in there. You have more cubby holes right here. You can put your socks or your t-shirts, whatever you like right in there. Then right over the bed here, this is really a nice, hunters love this trailer because it's small. It can get up into those tight places up in the woods. Deep cabinet space. And if you look at all these, this is real wood. So if this comes out, you can screw it back in. Unlike some other trailers that use the cheap material, if they come undone, you have to replace the whole thing. This is using real wood, real screws, real nice brackets on this one. Place for your keys. Then if you come this way, you have a restroom. Full restroom on the 17-footer. Full bath. Nice storage, porcelain toilet. This is your thermostat right here. Then you have a nice sized Norco refrigerator that works on gas and of course power. Boom, nice size freezer. Deep covers right there for your groceries or whatever you like to put there. Best part about this trailer, guys, is the room you get right here in the window. This view is awesome. If you could pull it up to the beach, pull it up to the ocean, and you could watch the kids as they play. This is an awesome trailer. It has great view. That part you're going to really benefit and love that part. Check this out. Has your own entertainment system with USB and auxiliary, and is also DVD player. So when if you do decide to put a television in here, you have your hookups right here, and also another charging station, and lots of counter space. 2 sinks, lots of counter space. Real wood again. These are really sturdy. You're not going to have to worry about these breaking on you. Nice clean microwave with a hood. Power hood, electric hood, and of course your 3 burners and an oven. All right, so and one other thing, it also comes with a solar panel on top, but you could add more. This has a basic solar panel. Has a spot out here for your barbecue grill. Okay. If you look at how high it is, that's the one thing people love about this trailer, because it sits so high up off the ground. You get a lot of clearance if you're going over rocks, mountains, and it's built solid. If you guys are interested in the Nash 17K, feel free to give me a call, Anthony.Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.